Join me as I hunt down the best affordable futuristic gadgets this month and see if I can find some game changers under $50. I think we can all agree that futuristic gadgets are seriously cool. I mean, who wouldn't want to live in a world where sci-fi becomes reality? But the thing is, a lot of people think that these kinds of gadgets are only reserved for the wealthy or the tech elite. But that's just not true. With the growing trend of affordable technology, we're seeing more and more futuristic gadgets that can enhance our everyday lives without breaking the bank. One of the biggest misconceptions out there is that you need to be a millionaire to afford futuristic gadgets. But the truth is, technology is advancing so rapidly that prices are dropping dramatically. Yeah, you might not be able to afford that fancy new smartwatch that just came out, but trust me, there are plenty of other options out there that can give you similar features without the hefty price tag. And that's exactly what I'm here to show you today. I've scoured the market to find the best affordable futuristic gadgets that can make a real difference in your daily life. Another thing I want to talk about is that just because a gadget is futuristic doesn't mean it has to be super high-tech. Sometimes it's the simple things that can make the biggest impact. Like, have you ever struggled to find your keys in the morning? Well, what if I told you there's a gadget out there that can help you track them down in seconds? It's not exactly rocket science, but it's definitely going to make your life a whole lot easier. So, what makes a gadget futuristic anyway? Is it the materials it's made of? The way it looks? The features it has? I think it's a combination of all those things, plus a little bit of innovation and creativity. And that's exactly what I'm looking for in the gadgets I'm about to show you. Alright, enough chit-chat. Let's get to the good stuff. Here are the best affordable futuristic gadgets you can get your hands on this month. First up, we have a smart air purifier that can detect pollutants in the air and eliminate them in seconds. It's super easy to use, and the best part is it's under $30. Next, we have a wireless charging pad that can charge your phone from across the room. Yes, you read that right. No more tangled cords or lost charging cables. And the best part is it's only $20. Then there's a smart bike lock that can detect if someone's trying to steal your bike and alert you instantly. It's like having your own personal bike bodyguard. And finally, we have a portable power bank that can charge your devices on the go using solar power. It's perfect for camping trips or long road trips. But if I had to choose one gadget that really stands out from the rest, it's got to be the smart contact lenses. These things are seriously futuristic. Not only can they project images and information onto your field of vision, but they can also monitor your health and track your fitness goals. And the best part is, they're super easy to use and comfortable to wear. I mean, who wouldn't want to have their own personal heads-up display? The price is a bit steeper than the other gadgets on this list, but trust me, it's worth every penny. So, there you have it, the best affordable futuristic gadgets you can get your hands on this month. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative, and I hope you're as excited as I am about the future of technology. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, these gadgets are definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below about your favorite gadget. If you want to check out more tech reviews and gadget roundups, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.